In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a squared symbol in Google Docs. If you've ever found yourself in the middle of writing a document and needed to include a mathematical notation, you'll know how vital these little symbols can be to conveying the correct meaning. So let's dive right into this quick and easy process to add a squared symbol right where you need it in your document. First, go ahead and open Google Docs and load the document you want to work on. Now, once you're inside the document and set everything up to your liking, you'll need to decide the exact spot where you intend to insert the squared symbol. Move your mouse or trackpad to guide your cursor to that precise location in your text. It's critical to make sure your cursor is right where you want that symbol to appear, because that can impact how smoothly the process goes for you. Now, here's the magic part. It's all about the keyboard commands. On your keyboard, you will need to press the Control key along with the period key, also known as the dot on your keyboard. In other words, you'll press Control and period simultaneously. This combination is like telling the document, hey, I'm getting ready to input something special here. Once you've done that, the next step is to press the number 2 on your keyboard. And just like that, you should now see the number 2 with a superscript, which is the squared symbol, appearing right where your cursor is. And just like that, you've inserted a squared symbol into your document. Isn't it great how something that seems so intricate can be achieved with a few simple keystrokes? Remember, the entire sequence is all about pressing Control and period together first and then hitting the number 2. With these steps, you've got a quick method to include that mathematical notation without having to dive deep into special character tools or type in complicated codes. Once you're done, make sure to double check that you're happy with how the symbol fits into your text. This can help you avoid any formatting issues or misplacements, ensuring that everything looks professional and clear. And that's it. You've learned how to insert a squared symbol in Google Docs. If you found this how-to useful, feel free to hit the like button. And if you want to see more tips and tricks like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.